Hello everybody, hopefully you can hear me. I'm putting you in my pocket. I'm on the Facebook forum and I just get tired of everybody being like, oh, my drone only goes 600 feet and then loses connection and all that. Well, if you live in the city, if you live next to a power tower, there's all kinds of different things that slow down the distance. Well, when you buy a phone and they tell you, yeah, it lasts 20 hours, that's not even touching the phone. So when they test a drone, of course it's out in the country and in the middle of nowhere. And I'm going to show you today. I'm going to fly at 2.3 miles is what I'm hoping to get. And on one battery. And one way, and then make it come back because I want to get it back in one battery. I'm going to start capturing my screen for you guys. Let's switch it over to video. 2K.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay. 2.3 miles. We'll see if I can go that far without losing video.
The home point has been
I'm
updated.
Go up 100
Please check it on the map.
And 20 feet. That's higher than any tree around me. It's 2-mile-an-hour wind, but I do not feel any, so I don't know what's going on about. There's 120 feet. Turn it to the direction I want to go. And we're off. I'm going to go. I have no antenna boosters on or nothing. This is factory. $5,200 feet is 1 mile. Max distance, max altitude. And depending on the sun being out, the clouds, the wind, cars driving by, if you're launching it on the side of the road from your car messes with it. CBs mess with it, and semi-trucks. I'm just tired of people just buying a drone because it's cool and not understanding how it works. I've gotten 4.3 miles one way, and then I landed it in a farmer's field and then went and got it. I've done a 3-mile back trip. Now I'm doing this in P mode. You think you could cover more distance in S mode, but you can't. It's a little bit less. I'm getting a weak signal. Now I'm going till video loses signal, not controller. Also, when you go out this far, you can lose signal when it turns around. I got a bird messing with it right now. Because I think the antennas are on the back side where the flashing light is. So most people go out as far as they can go, and then when they try to turn around and come back, they lose their signal because the antenna is on the back. So I'm about 3/4 of a mile here with no problems. Now it's saying a weak signal and you cut out for a second. That could be because a car went by or a signal went through the air. Or shoot, I'm only like 40 feet from my router now. It could be messing with it. So when it skips out once, don't just give up. Just sit there and wait for it to come back. Now I never believe where it says at the bottom of my screen in the middle, it tells me where my drone's at. My drone is not over there. I have no clue why it says that. That's probably 20 degrees off. There we go, 1 mile. No problems. See if the gimbal's still working good. Working perfect. And most people, if you go into your settings, you can actually make your gimbal go upwards. Oh, there we lost a little bit of signal. Oh, there it came back. Semi going by. And now we're back. Oh, we still lost it. Says we lost connection. I guess today that's all it's going to do. Now I'm bringing it back a little bit, because just because you lose video doesn't mean you lost the drone. You gotta look up at the top right where it says RC. Okay, I guess that's where. I guess that's as far as it wants to go today. I'm gonna move over here and see if I get a better signal. I'm actually behind a tree. Guess I shouldn't be behind a tree. Okay, I'm gonna look down a little bit, that way I can see it moving. Right there, that's about it for today. As far as it wants to go. Bring it back. So at a mile. Okay, then calm down. There we go. I wonder if there's like a jammer or something over there. Now I'm going to demonstrate when you turn it back. See if we can go backwards. Maybe we won't lose it. I can't even see my house on there. Oh, it's going a bit further. I'm going to raise the altitude. Oh, we've lost it for a while, haven't we? Not yet. I'm going to raise it up 400 feet and see if I can get video transmission back. There we go. Okay. So we're back in business again. Let's go up to the 400 feet. And let's plow on. This is the same spot that I launched it and got the 4.3 miles out of it. And you gotta remember, when you gotta land it way out, that when you land it, once it goes below the trees, you lost your signal. I lost 1 bar finally on my transmission. And there it's back again. Let's go further. Yeah, it's right there, and that's where it wants to stop today. Since the battery indicator is saying that's about as far as I can go, that's as far as I'm going to make it on this video. Let's see how it returns to home.
Go home.
Now it's working fine, so let's try backing it up. And it lost it right there. So let's just return it to home.
Go home.
And as soon as it sends that signal, everything comes back to life. Isn't that weird?